We as ladies are ruling the world in 2026. But there is one area where we are lacking as ladies, as women, we are lacking, that is relationship. There are many ladies, they are not able to find partner for themselves. Or they have the relationship, but they are not able to nurture that relationship. They are not able to make that relationship a successful relationship. They are struggling in their relationship. Why? We forgot that we have something called feminine energy. It's very simple that we just need to understand that men have masculine energy, we have feminine energy, which is also known as yin energy and yang energy. We forgot that we have something called yin energy. We got into yang energy so much that we completely forgot that we are ladies, we are women, and we have something called yin energy. And we need to embrace that while we are growing in our career, while we are conquering the world. But today, I'm going to give you quick tips which will help you embrace your yin energy along with your yang energy, which you already have. Okay, I'll give you a very good example. It's a example from Bollywood. हम सबको Bollywood example पसंद आते हैं और सब ने कुछ होता है देखिए. कुछ होता है में. Do you remember? Kajol in the first half was a complete tomboy. What was that? It was a yang energy completely. Yin energy was completely suppressed in that. And hence, Shah Rukh did not get present to the fact that he loves Kajol. And Kajol is his love of his life. And he got attracted to Rani Mukherjee, who was absolutely yin, if you remember. She was yin, she was feminine, she used to dress, she used to do makeup, everything. Whereas Kajol used to not do it. Whereas, if you see it in that movie, Kajol and Shah Rukh had amazing chemistry. But he did not get present that he is in love with her. But the moment he saw her in the second half, absolutely in a feminine way, she embraced her feminine energy. And when he saw her in sari, he fell in love again with Kajol. What happened? Kajol embraced her feminine energy in second half. And the moment she embraced her feminine energy, she attracted Shah Rukh very happily. Once you balance your yin and yang energy, once you accept your feminism in you, you will start with loving yourself. And that the moment you start loving yourself, you'll see people around you also start loving you very easily. Simple. Add some colors in your wardrobe. Add some flower prints in your wardrobe. Add some colors like pink, light green, light blue, fluorescent colors. Get rid of those grey, black you have in your wardrobe. Yes, I know that you have those colors in your wardrobe because I used to have it. In 2003, when I met Mitesh, मेरे पास सिर्फ 3 color होते थे. Grey, black or brown. That's about it. But now my wardrobe is filled with all possible colors. Add some colors. Add some flower prints. Add some makeup. Again, in 2003, when I met Mitesh, there was no makeup. I used to never use any makeup. And I used to be very proud about it. But it's not a pride. There's no harm in doing light makeup. Enhance your beauty. It's good to look beautiful. Trust me, it looks nice. You feel better when you see yourself in the mirror. So do light makeup. Do add some colors. The small things will help you embrace feminine energy and it will make you balance yin and yang. Trust me, I'm not asking you to reduce your yang. I'm just asking you to bring your yin here so that this gets balanced. I'm saying all these things with my own experience. I started loving myself. I started adding colors in my cupboard. I started using makeup. I started embracing my yin energy and then I attracted Mitesh. And now you all know I and Mitesh share brilliant, loving relationship. And this is all because we both have balanced our yin and yang energy very good. We cover this module in detail in Advanced Law of Attraction course. In the description, I will give you a link for the first chapter of Advanced Law of Attraction. You're most welcome to come and join and attend that and then take it forward from there. Let me know in comment box how do you like it. I would love to read your comments.